You're lost in the jungle. You feel eyes on you, but nothing moves. No footsteps, no growls, just silence. So, what's stalking you without making a sound? Some animals have silent flight. Owls, for example, have fringed feathers that muffle wind, making them the ultimate aerial ninja. But this isn't an owl. It can see in color at night. While most nocturnal animals rely on shades of gray, this predator's eyes adapt like night vision goggles. Its ankles can rotate 180 degrees, letting it climb down trees head first without a sound. Imagine something watching you from above. Then suddenly it's below you. It can mimic animal sounds, even the cries of its prey. It doesn't chase, it lures. So what hunts like a ghost and speaks with stolen voices? It's the margay, a jungle cat no bigger than a house pet. It climbs like a monkey, hunts like a snake, and tricks like a parrot. No roars, no tracks, just silence and eyes watching.